This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy lorShift, back at it again with another banger video, man. And as you can see by the title and thumbnail, today your boy will be changing the oil on my 2019 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392, man. Hold on, give me 1 second, y'all. Chill out, bruh. Anyways, as you can see, your boy finally got us a camera. If you guys don't already know, it's your boy lorShift's birthday. Happy birthday to lorShift. Feel me? I need all y'all to say happy birthday in the comments because it's your boy's birthday. Anyways, like I said, we still working on our birthday, man. We still working. So as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, your boy's doing an oil change, right? A lot of y'all trying to get a Scat Pack. A lot of y'all trying to get a Hellcat. A lot of y'all trying to get a V6, Charger, Challenger, whatever it is. Feel me? You have to know how to change your oil. So you might as well just stay until the end of the video, watch the entire video, feel me? Learn how to change your oil yourself instead of going to Jiffy Lubes, instead of going to Dodge and getting taxed $100 to $200 to do it. Feel me? So stay tuned to the end of the video. Make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And last but not least, spam the comments with happy birthday because it's your boy's birthday. We gonna hurry up and get started, man. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so all the materials you're gonna need to perform this oil change, this hood oil change, man. Number one, you want to grab you an oil filter. As you can see, this is a Mopar oil filter. Here's the part number right there. Screenshot that if you own a Scat Pack or a Cat. I don't know if this works on an RT or a V6, but do your research on that. So the part number will be up there, as you can see. Boom, I'll put the link in the description below. And yeah, this is an OEM Mopar oil filter. I got this for like $12 on Amazon, so grab you one of these. The next thing you want to grab, this is a must-have unless you want oil all over your hands. Grab you some gloves, 50-cent gloves from, I don't know, the dollar store or something. Just grab you something, put something over your hands, put a sock over your hands. I never use gloves too, that's the crazy part. I'm just doing this for the video, I'm not gonna lie, but grab you some gloves. Next item, feel me, you want to grab you a ratchet wrench. Feel me? As you can see, this is a ratchet wrench, half drive. I think it's a 1/2 millimeter drive. Yeah, boom. And as you can see, this is a 13 millimeter socket right here at the end. So this was like $9. This was like 15 or 20. So grab you one of these. You should already have one. If you watch my videos and you perform all the stuff yourself like I do in my videos, you should already have one of these. So grab you one of these. AutoZone, Walmart, Amazon, you can find this. And you want to grab one that's long enough to really get that bolt out of there. So grab you one of these. Next item, grab you a funnel. You're gonna need one of these when you pour the oil into the tank. You're gonna need your funnel, pour the oil right in there so you don't miss and get it all over the belt and all that stuff. So grab you a funnel, you're gonna need this. All right, next item, oil pan. Grab your oil pan. You're gonna need this when you drain your oil. You do not want your oil to get all over the floor and everywhere. It will be hard to clean up, so definitely grab you an oil pan. I did watch Fast Life Nick's video. He used like a bin and put like a trash bag in it on some hood shit. But yeah, y'all, you can really get anything. You can grab you like a little plastic container and just put something under your card so the oil can get into, you know what I mean? So I just went to grab this from AutoZone. This was like $15. I should have did it like Nick though, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, you know what, I'm already at AutoZone grabbing shit, I might as well just grab me an oil pan. 10-quart drain container. Grab you one of them. Last but not least, grab you some oil. So this is SRT Pennzoil 0W40. For all my Scat Pack or Hellcat boys, you will need this. I'm not sure. I doubt the RTs will need this. I use a different type of oil for the RT. I forgot what it was. But yeah, grab you some of this if you own a Scat Pack, SRT 392, or a Hellcat. Pennzoil 0W40. Make sure it says SRT right there, man. I got this off of Amazon. This is 7 quarts. As you can see, we got 6 in and 1 out. This was about like 60 bucks on Amazon. And then the filter was like 12 bucks. So in total, I ended up spending like less than $100 on everything. But if you think about it, to get an oil change at like Jiffy Lubes or Dodge, you spending like $150 to $200. When you can do this yourself, you could literally just go outside and do this yourself. Also, the last thing, right? One of the last things is a rag. Grab you a rag and then get you a 3-ton jack and some jack stands. This is a boat, so you will need a big jack. A 2-ton jack will work too, but I got a 3-ton, so I'm gonna use a 3-ton jack. jack the car up and then put the jack stands underneath so I can get under there and do what I gotta do. Let me show y'all my oil life too. Your boy is at 18% oil life. This is crazy. You never want to let your oil get that low. On my RT, I was tweaking out though. My oil was like 7 to 8%, bro. I was letting it get down that low and I was dogging that shit. You want to change your oil at like about 20 to 25%, maybe even earlier than that. I'm at 18 right now, so I'm a little late, but we gonna get it done, man. We getting it done right now. So next number we gonna see is 100%. Stay tuned to the end. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and let's hurry up and get this oil change, because as you can see, it is pouring outside and I'm still willing to do this oil change for some reason, because none of this stops the mechanic. None of this stops the lure mechanic, man. So let's get this done, and I'm gonna catch y'all underneath of the car. Boom! Doing it. So make sure you have your jack stand, and then this is obviously the most important thing, because you need to lift your car up. You're not gonna be able to, you know, fit under there with the car down. So grab you one of them. I normally just lift up one side because the oil bolt or screw is like right here on this side, so on the passenger side. So we're gonna get started with the oil change. Let's get it. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, we are underneath of the car. Got the oil filter right here, and we have the bolt right here, so it's right in front of this little front of your axle area. So I apologize, my lens is very zoomed in. I have to buy a wide angle lens, so but y'all should be able to see this little screw right here. Like if you look towards the wheels, should be lined up right here, and then the filter will be right there. So these are the only two things you're messing with today: the filter and the bolt. So you want to put your 13mm wrench on this or your socket, and then make sure you have this prepared, your oil pan prepared in the right spot, just to be able to get the oil to leak out into it. So keep it like not directly underneath of this, but like probably like about a couple inches in front of it, feel me, because it will pour out. Hopefully y'all are able to see everything. The bolt is right here. I want to grab your wrench, your socket, feel me, put it on the bolt and untighten it. Make sure it's all the way on there so you don't strip it. You may have to, like, you need leverage, bro, like it's already starting to strip. Alright, I recommend do not get a deep 13mm socket, bro. Get a regular one, because this is already starting to strip and it's gonna piss me off if it does. Alright, y'all, we having technical difficulties. I may have to go grab a short 13mm socket, because as you can see, it's hitting this as I'm putting it on. So 2 hours later, after a long 6 hours of trying to get this bolt taken out, not gonna lie, I almost stripped it, bro. Like it's getting there now. What I had to do though was I forgot I had extensions, so I put an extension on here, and then I put the 13mm socket part on here, and then boom, and I was able to get the ratchet like right up here in this groove to get it straight on there. Then I kind of hammered it on there to get it real tight and secure on that bolt, so I can, you mean, I did have to use a little bit of WD-40 too. Get this joint drained out. It might get a little messy. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. It got like all on the street. It's getting everywhere, bruh. Oh no.
Bruh.
That's not good at all. If I showed y'all what this street looked like, yo, I'm tripping, bro. And it did get all on my arms too. But it's gonna take a little minute for it to drain, so give it like 5 minutes just so all the oil can come out. Should be good, y'all. Let me just get this cleaned up as much as I can. Car is pissing black shit. Grab your rag, pretty much like wipe it down. As you can see, I spilled all this oil, bro. All this oil is on the floor, bro. I'm gonna have to get my water hose and wash it up. But the next thing I'm gonna do is pretty much get the oil bolt, as you can see, clean it up. Feel me, just do that real quick, and then screw it back onto the hole where it belongs. Once we do that, we're gonna start messing with the oil filter. So I'm gonna get this bolt screwed on, and then I'm gonna pick up the camera and start messing with the oil filter. But do not move this oil pan. You're still gonna need this. I'm not gonna lie, bro, my neck is in so much pain. I've been holding my head up from touching this oil, so I'm like struggling right now. But make sure you tighten it up with the wrench. And now we're gonna move on to the filter. I need a wide angle lens, bro. But this is my oil filter right here. This is literally right next to the bolt, as you can see. You should be able to hand twist this off. It might be extremely tight. Make sure you do put the oil pan below the oil filter. Well, make sure you put the oil pan below the oil filter, and I'm gonna try to unscrew this with my hand. Maybe extremely tight. I'm grabbing a rag right now, and I'm gonna see if I can twist it off with my hand, because I can't get a firm grip on it. I am right-handed, so I gotta come at an angle. Good thing I was strong enough to get this off with my hand. So take it off really slow. You don't want to go too crazy. Let it drip out, then untwist it. Should come out. Oh shit. Oh, this shit is hot. Oh, this shit is hot. Good thing I got a rag, I guess, so I'm able to just wipe it down. Now that y'all got the filter out and the oil out, I'm gonna show y'all what to do with the new oil filter. Let's get to it. All right, so what y'all wanna do is y'all wanna grab the new oil filter. As you can see, once again, this is the part number. Grab your oil and put just a little bit in there. Just about maybe half of a quart. Oh, a little too much, but that's cool. You wanna grab oil on your fingertip and just put it around the ring area, just so that when you change your oil next time, it'll be easy to take off. And then should be good to go to get thrown on. Common sense on how to put this on. Just go up there, twist it on there, and then you're good to go. So I'm gonna do that. Make sure it's hand tight as well. You don't want to tighten it up too crazy. Just make sure it's hand tight. All right, so now that we're not underneath of the car anymore, you want to make sure everything is from underneath of it. Feel me? Make sure you got all your tools and stuff. Move everything out the way. I don't want to touch this with my bare hands, but I gotta do what I gotta do, man. This filter is ass. What the hell is Napa? We don't want this, bro. We want the Mopar or the SRT filter. Make sure you lower your jacks. Move all this real quick. Give me 1 second. Right, move this out the way. Lower this. You can lower your car, man. Just make sure your car's balanced out when you put the oil in there. You don't want to have your car leaning and then you pour oil in there and then all the oil's going this way. You know what I mean? Make sure your hood's open. As you can see, we already got my hood open. Now this is where you want to pour your engine oil at. SAE 0W40. Unscrew this. Once you got this top off, as you can see, you want to grab your funnel. Put your funnel in there and then start filling. So grab your oil and then literally pour all 7 quarts directly into the funnel, just like that. It should fill up. There's one, we got like 6 more to go. Now you want to take the funnel out, tighten up the cap, just like that. Make sure it's real tight, just like that, y'all. And now you have successfully did an oil change. All right, y'all. Now that successfully concludes the end of the video, man. If y'all can do me just one favor, though, just one favor. Your boy lorShift's birthday just passed, like I said in the beginning of the video. So do me that one favor by hitting that subscribe button for your boy. We are on the road to 50K, y'all. We need a big 50 ball, man. Hit that subscribe button. Also, it's been like a long 2 weeks since I uploaded a video. And for that reason is because I actually am wrapping my car right now, right? I didn't finish it yet. It's still getting wrapped. But I need y'all to go down in the comment section below and also let me know what color y'all think I'm wrapping the car. I mean, it's pretty obviously. What y'all think I'm wrapping the car, man? What color y'all think I'm wrapping the car? Yeah, whatever you just said, go down in the comment section below and comment that color. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. The next one will be a banger. We will be in 4K quality. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy lorShift, and we out. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Simple as that.